As it is generally known that good service records, hard work, commitment, and exemplary performances are attributes of mankind, it has facilitated the Lagos State Commissioner of Police CP Idowu on Monday as he decorated 1,400 newly promoted officers from the rank of inspectors to Assistant Superintendents of Police (ASP).
To whom much is given, much is expected. The IG stands on very high professional grounds, and he expects his followers to manifest excellence in their conduct at all times. So I appeal to you to see this promotion as another step in your bright career.
In the same vein, CP Idowu appealed to the newly elevated officers to see their promotions as an additional responsibility towards their bright careers and the challenges that will go with the position.
Very happy. It's progress in work, so it's a good thing moving from one rank to the other. The promotion, as we all know, that promotion comes from God, but hard work also determines. So, and the rank is a rank that calls for more duty, because now, as an assistant superintendent of police, I'll be taking roles of responsibility. I'll be held accountable for whatsoever boys under me does, for their actions or inaction. So it calls for more work. For whatever I've been doing before, which I believe I'm hardworking, but it calls for more hard work and to work smart as well.
I feel honored, I feel great, and I feel very good being among the newly promotee of this new IG regime. I thank the Almighty God and I thank the Nigeria Police Force. I know as an ASP, a higher rank, higher responsibility.
Adding to that, the Inspector General of Police, Ekpa, emphasized that the promotion of police officers will solely be based on merit and not by seniority. In Lagos, Jennifer Nwosu reporting for Newsbuster TV.